Welcome friends. In this video tutorial, we will understand one program from book of ANSI C Programming by E. Balaguru Swami. We have created one program which demonstrates the use of functions, and in this program we will calculate interest of amount by using this function which have no return type and no arguments. So let's see how to use this function to calculate interest. At the beginning we have declared two functions which have no return type and no argument, means which have void type. Now one function is the print line and second is the value. Now let's see first print line function. In print line function we have simply iterated one for loop for 35 times to print simple character which is dash. It is just for formatting purpose. So when we call this function, it will print dash 35 times, and at the end function will print new line character. Now let's see value function. Value function is our core function, or we can say it is a core functionality function, because in this function we are going to calculate the interest of particular amount which is entered by the user. So let's see how interest is calculated. First we have taken two variables, year and period, and three float type variable, interest rate, sum and principal. Now we are getting input from the user using scanf statement, means first we are demanding principal amount, interest rate and period. Now we are assigning principal value to sum, means sum will be the operational variable on which we will perform interest calculation. We are assigning year is equal to 1 and we are checking that year is less than or equal to period or not. If yes, then calculate interest using sum is equal to sum into 1 plus in rate. This is the formula for calculating interest. Once interest of particular year is calculated, then we will add that interest into amount, means in sum, and we will increment year by 1. At the end of the function we will print all these values. We are printing principal value, interest rate, period of interest and sum, which is the total of interest and amount. Now in main function first we are printing line and then we are calling our main function which is the value, and at the end we are printing lines again. Now let's run and see the output. Now console is demanding for input, so we are entering principal amount, rate and period of 5 years. We can see output is printed, and this is the sum which we have calculated in this program. So this is how we can calculate the interest using function also. So this is the one of the use of function. Thank you.